Hey everyone, I'm Daisy with Dherbs.com. Here at Dherbs, we get a lot of health-related questions, and today we're going to answer some viewer questions about menstrual cramps. Our first question comes from Vera. Hi Dherbs, I haven't been getting my period for very long, but I feel like my cramps are much worse than my friends. The pain starts a couple days before my period and lasts the entire time. Sometimes it's so bad I have to stay in bed all day. Is this normal? Vera, this is fiction. There are two kinds of menstrual cramps. In medical terms, they're called primary and secondary dysmenorrhea. Primary cramps are just normal uterine contractions during your period to help the endometrial lining shed, and that's probably what your friends are experiencing. But it seems like you may be having secondary cramps, which are pain caused by other medical problems such as endometriosis or uterine fibroids. These conditions can be extremely painful and get worse with time. Unfortunately, there aren't a lot of effective treatments for them, but if you talk to your doctor, they may recommend hormonal birth control to reduce your periods and your pain, or surgery as a last resort. Good luck. Our next question comes from Fiona. Hey Dherbs, everyone I know gets cramps from their periods. I get other symptoms with it, like getting more acne and sometimes headaches, but I've never gotten cramps. Is this normal? Fiona, this is a fact. Menstrual cramps impact as many as 80% of people with periods, but the remaining percent don't experience them at all. It's perfectly normal and probably nice not to have to deal with that experience, so don't stress about it. Our final question comes from Isabel. Hi Dherbs, I get cramps almost every time I have my period, and I feel like I really struggle to get them under control. I take ibuprofen, but it doesn't always help, and I'm not sure what else to do. My sisters and my mom don't get cramps as bad as mine, so they don't have any tips. Is there no better solution? Best, Isabel. Isabel, this is fiction. There are a lot of options for dealing with pain in addition to over-the-counter pain medication. Things like heating pads and massages can help relieve pain, as well as topical pain relievers, or even some essential oils. You can also avoid things like smoking and poor sleep that tend to make cramps worse, and exercise more, which can relieve pain overall. You can also talk to your doctor about potentially using hormonal birth control to help control and reduce your period symptoms. So experiment with different things and see if any of them help. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. If you have a question you want answered, you can email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com or message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.